It is 12:24 p.m. on a Saturday, and I'm gonna eat this Korean pear. Mochi is begging. I should show you. Let me get this webcam off. Can you see her? No, she's under. Mochi, come here. Come here. Come here. There she is. She's begging, yeah. She wants some Korean pear. Pear, I was gonna say pear. Pear is pear in Korean, so. Way juicier and crispier than North American pears. Although this is quite old, maybe like 2 weeks old, so it's a little not as crispy, a little mushier. It takes some effort to peel it all, but worth it. Okay. I'll give you some mochi. I was just talking with my YouTuber friend and accountability buddy, Niels. And his videos have been doing very well. Lately, they're getting at least hundreds of views, sometimes over 1,000 views. And he's taking the more I don't know about traditional, but like the more standard way to grow on YouTube. You package it well with a good thumbnail and title, and you think of topics that can go viral. You copy from other big YouTubers who have gone viral, or small YouTubers who have gone viral. And I'm taking a completely different approach, as you can see with this video. I'm taking the approach of Mr. Ask Japan, 50-year-old Japanese man having midlife crisis. He would make these long, uncut videos of him talking to the camera, sometimes eating. Here you go. And people were watching. Thousands of people were watching. So I think videos like these have a place on YouTube. I have made fast-paced, B-roll filled, scripted videos that I'm proud of. I'm proud of them, and they have definitely gotten more views than my average videos. Like the one about why I stopped my stream of consciousness writing in the mornings, and the one about the one habit that all the people talk about. And I did enjoy making them as well. But those ideas don't always come to me. So I can't keep pumping out those videos like all the time if I want to keep. I guess I could like just copy other famous videos, other viral hit videos, but I don't really want to copy. Yes, the advice from people like Ali Abdal who are successful on YouTube say you can imitate and then innovate. So you copy first and then you start putting your own spin and twist to make more original videos. But I just don't like copying others. It's just not fun for me. By the way, the reason I'm wearing this scarf and staying warm is because I have a sore throat. The third sore throat within 5 weeks, 7 weeks. It's crazy how many times I'm getting sick. I even got the flu shot. Maybe this is the flu, but at a lesser intensity because it's not that bad. So maybe the flu shot is helping me from getting super sick, and now I'm only slightly sick. Oh, little update about Mr. Astropan. I got a comment in my video about him, and the comment said that his wife really hated his videos in terms of she didn't like him talking about their private life and showing their children. So it might not be work, the reason why he took down all his past videos. It could be his wife, and they were fighting about it apparently. So I didn't know all that. So I guess he talked about this in his recent videos before it got taken down. That means his wife is the reason he took down those videos, not because he was censored from his workplace. I think that's better, because at least he didn't get trouble at work, that means, so. Wow, you just swallowed it. I should give you smaller pieces, Mochi. This pear is like 2 weeks old, but it's still really good. Hey, quiet. I'll leave a piece for my mom at the end. Having someone cut you fruits is a really nice thing. It's like a comforting feeling. When your grandmother cuts you fruits, or your mom cuts you fruits. Occasionally my dad would cut me fruits too, when I'm with him. Yeah, sometimes. Not recently, but at least a long time ago when I was little. It is a Saturday. Did I already say that? It is a Saturday, and I edited and posted a video, or scheduled it at least, about the sandwich. And then I filmed another video of me eating salad for breakfast. And this is the second video I'm filming today. I've said this to Niels in our call this morning when he was like, are you actually interested in becoming successful on YouTube and making it a full-time living, or do you want to really just do this as a hobby and do what you enjoy? Because it seems like you're just doing it because you enjoy it and you're not taking it seriously in terms of optimizing for growth. And videos like these, I don't think they're optimizing for growth, like Neil said. But I enjoy doing them. So in that sense, it is, I am doing it like a hobby. Like Ask Japan, Mr. 50-year-old Japanese man was doing it as a hobby. He's been doing it for 4 years at least. Posting every single day. And yet, because of his title, 50-year-old Japanese man having midlife crisis. Because of those titles in almost every single one of his videos, he gained a massive following, 150,000 subscribers, tens of thousands of views per each video, except for his latest ones because they were censored and they're not his usual videos. He doesn't talk much in them, or at least he doesn't talk anything personal in them, so that only got like 6,000 to 8,000 views, which is still a lot, but low for him. He usually gets way more than that, so. This being a tribute to him, I'm doing these because he has proven to me that there is a place for content like this and it could be successful. It's not guaranteed to become successful. Like, Niels is taking the more guaranteed approach of becoming successful, of good thumbnails, viral ideas, copying the viral ideas, packaging it well with a catchy thumbnail and title. And I am trying to use a catchy title, Unemployed 34-year-old, which is my version of 50-year-old Japanese man having midlife crisis. But my hopes is to gather people who just like to chill and kind of spend time with the YouTuber, whether it's me or the 50-year-old Japanese man. Yeah, that was a bit too big a piece. I should cut it into smaller pieces. She's still eating it, but she had to break it down. Okay, you finished it. I'll give you a smaller piece next time, won't you? My grandmother, when I was cutting fruit the last time she saw, said, you're cutting too much of the fruit, not just the skin. Yeah, I'm not as skilled as you. I guess I cut out more than just the skin. She said that in Korean, not in English. I'm curious how my podcast. I have like 2 possible podcasts. One is like filmed as a podcast. The other is just a video call with my YouTuber friends. So there are 2 possible podcasts that I can post. They're probably gonna do like shit, but I think I'll still post them anyway. I think I'll just go through it, see if I want to cut out anything, but try to keep as much of it there as possible. Probably going to be like 30 minutes or an hour long. Just me and other YouTubers, small-time YouTubers talking. We're all small-time YouTubers. At least the ones that appear in the videos I recorded. My mom said she wanted a piece, so this last big piece will be for her. I'll cut it for her and give it to her after I finish my last piece. This is not super easy to cut, possibly because it's quite old. Mr. 50-year-old Japanese man. He had so many videos, I only watched a few of them. Like, I'm the most vocal YouTuber about him, making so many videos about him. But there were way more loyal fans who would watch every single one of his videos. And people say he's like one of their biggest comfort channels. I would check in on his channel once every few days. But now I wish I could go back and watch his old videos and study them. And study how he captivated so many people watching him on a daily basis. And connected and resonated with so many people. Okay, so I finished my portion. This is for my mom. I cut way too much there, more than the skin. I guess this about wraps up the video. That's a nice chunky piece for her. It's good to have fruit when you have sore throat. It's really soothing for the throat, refreshing. I'm glad my sore throat is not as bad as last time. That was super bad. It was so painful to swallow. Oh, I don't want to get that again, so I better be super cautious. It is 10:45 p.m., super bright out and snowy out and super cold, minus 10 degrees Celsius, which is like I don't know, 0 degrees Fahrenheit? 10 degrees Fahrenheit or less? Yeah, less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit probably. Okay, time to give this to my mom. Say bye, Mochi. I'll show a pet montage after this. 1% better every day, baby. Moch Muff! Moch Muff, why are you two together? Huh? Mochi Muffin. Tig! Tig!